Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can we use pack method for layout designing. So pack method is basically used to organize all the widgets in 9 regions, and these are basically north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest and center region. So we can say that it basically arranges all the widgets in vertical or horizontal boxes, and it is mainly used for simple layout design. For complex layout design it is not used. So for example, how can we use this pack method? In this example, I am using 3 labels and background colors are yellow, green and orange. Then if we write L1.pack, L2.pack and L3.pack, so it arranges all the labels one after another in this way. Now there are some common arguments that we can use inside the pack method, and first option is side. So it places the widget at a particular direction. So values are basically top, bottom, left and right. For example, if we use bottom option for 3 labels, it means L1.pack side equal to bottom. Similarly, L2.pack side equal to bottom and L3.pack side equal to bottom. So it arranges all these labels from bottom to top. Means first yellow label will be placed, then green label will be placed, and after that orange label will be placed. Similarly, if we use side equal to left, means for 3 labels if we use left option, then it arranges all the labels one by one. So starting from yellow, then green, then orange. So it arranges all the label horizontally. So in this way side option is used. Next option is another important option, that is fill. So if we want to make the widget as wide as the parent widget, so if we want to increase width as well as height as the width height of the parent window, we can use this option. 3 values are basically used: horizontal fill, vertical fill and both horizontal and vertical fill. So how can we use this option? Suppose 3 labels are used in this example, and L1.pack fill equal to Tkinter.x means filling horizontally, then L2.pack fill equal to Tkinter.x filling horizontally again. Similarly, L3.pack fill horizontally, Tkinter.x. So output will be in this way. So it increases all these widths as the width of the window. So look here, if we do not use this fill option, then output will be this. So you clearly observe this difference. Next option is expand option, and it is mainly used to allocate any unused or available space of the parent window to different widgets. So it basically tells the parent container to take any space that is not assigned to any widget and distribute it to all the widgets that have a non-zero expand value. So we can use here two values, either true or false. For example, here two labels are used, L1 and L2. In case of L1, we are writing expand false and fill equal to Tkinter.y, means filling vertically, and for label 2, fill both vertically and horizontally. So this is the output. Look here, space is available below the label 2, space is available, but it does not use the space, means label 1 does not use the space, that's why it does not fill vertically. Now if we change this option, expand equal to true and remaining are same, then the output will be this, means the extra space will be used by the label 1, means it is assigned to label 1, so that's why the filling vertical option is applied to this label. So in this way expand option is used. Next option is pad X, it means external padding horizontally. So in this example 3 labels are used, and for label 1 and label 3 we are using pad X equal to 10 and pad X equal to 5. So look here, pad X equal to 10 means it represents this space, means space between the edge of the parent window and edge of the widget. So this space, this is 10, and this space, this is 5. Similarly, external padding vertically means pad Y. So in this example, vertical padding means this space, so pad Y is applied here for all these labels L1, L2, L3. So these are the effects. Next option is internal padding horizontally. So internal padding means in this example 3 labels are used, yellow, green and orange, and padding is applied for only label 2. So label 2 means this green label. Look here, this space is called internal padding horizontally, means space between the edge of the text and edge of the widget. So this is the space or internal padding. Similarly, internal padding vertically means iPad Y. So in this example, out of these 3 labels, iPad Y is applicable for level 2, and this is the effect. Here this vertical padding is represented by this iPad Y equal to 10 option. Next option is anchor. It basically allows to place the widget to a particular region. Basically regions are north, south, east, west, northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest and center. Total 9 regions. In this example 2 labels are used. First label will be placed at northeast position and second label will be placed at southwest direction. So these are the regions. So northeast means this position, southwest means this position. Now if we see the output, so look here, first label means red background, it will be placed at northeast direction, and second label background color yellow, it will be placed at southwest direction. So that's all for today's video session, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more videos on Python and other interesting topics, and share these videos. Thank you.